When your Sceptre monitor displays a no signal message or shows a black screen, the problem is usually with the cable connection. Let's diagnose and fix these common connection issues step by step. First, check your HDMI cable. Use HDMI version 2.0 or higher for optimal signal transfer. Keep the cable length under 15 feet to prevent signal degradation. Try connecting to different HDMI ports on both your monitor and PC. Sometimes a specific port may fail while others work perfectly. Always ensure cables are fully inserted and secure. For older VGA connections, carefully inspect the cable for physical damage. Check that none of the 15 pins are bent or broken, as this will prevent proper signal transmission. If using adapters to convert VGA to HDMI, invest in high-quality adapters. Cheap adapters often cause signal problems. Always tighten the VGA connector screws to ensure a secure connection. Look for these warning signs of cable damage: exposed wires, bent connectors, loose connections, or physical kinks in the cable. Any of these issues can cause intermittent or complete signal loss. Follow this quick checklist to resolve most connection issues. Power cycle both devices, test with a known working cable, try different input sources on your monitor, and verify all connections are fully seated. Most Sceptre monitor connection problems can be resolved by following these cable and connection troubleshooting steps. A systematic approach will help you identify and fix the issue quickly. When your Sceptre monitor displays an image but it appears distorted, blurry, or unclear, the issue typically stems from resolution or refresh rate mismatches between your PC and monitor. The first step is to boot your PC in safe mode. This loads Windows with basic display drivers and low-resolution settings, allowing you to access display configuration options even when your normal display is problematic. Once in safe mode, access Windows display settings. In Windows 10, go to Settings, then System, then Display. In Windows 11, the path is similar but with a slightly different interface. The key is to match your PC's output resolution to your monitor's native resolution. Most Sceptre monitors have a native resolution of 1920 by 1080 for full HD models, or 1366 by 768 for smaller displays. Check your monitor's specifications and set Windows to output this exact resolution. Next, set the refresh rate to match your monitor's supported rate. Most Sceptre monitors support 60 Hz, though some gaming models support 75 Hz or higher. Setting an unsupported refresh rate can cause display issues or no signal at all. If resolution and refresh rate adjustments don't solve the problem, update your graphics drivers. For persistent issues, use Display Driver Uninstaller, or DDU, to perform a clean driver installation. This removes all traces of old drivers that might be causing conflicts. Finally, if text and interface elements appear too large or small, adjust the display scaling. Set scaling to 100% for maximum compatibility with your Sceptre monitor. You can find this in advanced scaling settings within the display options. By following these steps, booting in safe mode, matching resolution and refresh rate, updating drivers with DDU if needed, and adjusting scaling to 100%, you can resolve most display setting conflicts with your Sceptre monitor and achieve clear, properly formatted display output.